Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, Secretary Information and Broadcasting, Shri Sunil Arora ji, other dignitaries on the dais, heads of media units and other colleagues, officials of the ministry, and friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Publication Division, it is my honor and privilege to thank Honorable Minister Jaitley Sahab, who, despite his extremely heavy preoccupation relating to the forthcoming budget, has joined us today. Sir, your abiding interest for books and publication, irrespective of the rise of alternative mediums, we at Publication Division have always received your special affection and counsel. Launch of our reference annuals and other new services in your hands today is an inspiration as ever. Grateful, sir. Our sincere and heartfelt thanks to Secretary INB, who has led the India 2016 project along with several other initiatives with his personal interest from start to finish and gave us significant support in all our recent initiatives. I thank the Joint Secretary PNA in the Ministry and his team for extending necessary approvals. New Media Wing of the Ministry worked closely with us through this project for compiling all necessary information for India and Bharat. I compliment the contribution of its head, Shri L.R. Vishwanath and his team. There are several distinguished partners and stakeholders in fulfilling the rather ambitious projects that we have been able to start today. Some of them are present here and some are not, but without their lending full-hearted support, often working overtime, things would not have been possible today. We are grateful to the CGA and his team from the Ministry of Finance, especially Shri G.P. Gupta, Additional CGA, and Joint CGA Sophia Dahiya ji, for working alongside officers from Publication Division for months together to set up the e-sales and e-payments through their portal. CCA of our ministry, Shri Vinod Chaube, extended full support in this paradigm shift. My sincere and heartfelt thanks to e-commerce agencies Kobo and Flipkart and our digitization partner Prachi India, whose representatives have joined us today. I thank friends from the media for being here, who I am sure would spread a word about the new products and services of Publication Division so that people can avail of them. I wish to thank senior officers of the ministry, heads of media units, and other colleagues for their gracious presence in this event. Special thanks to DAVP, PIB, Doordarshan News, and AIR News for the coverage. Last and quite important, sir, is to note the rigorous work put in by my very small team of colleagues in Publication Division, without which this day would not have been possible. I must record my appreciation specially for directors Dharini Mishra, Deepika Kachal and Pushpinder Kaur, besides other colleagues Vinod Meena, Manjula, Anil Srivastava, Sanjeev Kumar, Roma, Remi, Rakesh Renu, Ashutosh, Leela, Maruf, Faruqi, Surikant, Arun Paul and others. Privileged to have you all as colleagues. Thank you once again, Honorable Minister, and all of us, all of you, for being part of this occasion. Thank you.